for today's video, it is gonna be a how I style with thrifted clothing because recently I went to Intramuros. If you have watched that haul, I also went to Anonas and I also did some collective shopping through Moraita and España, those thrift shops from there. These pieces have always been in my closet and I figured today why not really boost the style that it has with that simple clothing, and I also upped my game to make it look more fashionable, casual, more formal, or whatever you may call it. So if you want to know how this goes, please keep on watching. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I have just one question. Why? Just joking. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. If you want to get notifications for my future uploads, you can ring that notification bell down below, and also follow me on my social media accounts to be updated on my whereabouts or whatever. I'll comment down your video suggestions, just, if you have one. Without further ado, let's start. So the first outfit I put up is this pair, and I got this of course from Ukay, and this is a neon oversized, super duper oversized green shirt that I partnered with this off-white belt that I got from Shopee only, and then I also paired it with this pair of boots that I got from H&M. I wanted to have or pair it up with this green color jean, like green and yellow bright colors, neon all over, but the bottom part is black one to like balance the bright and the dark colors. And yeah, I think I really love it. It screams that streetwear fashion and I love it. Next, okay, so for the next outfit, the second outfit, I paired my, again, oversized graphic t-shirt with this like pencil navy blue skirt and some pair of Nike Cortez sneakers because the color scheme is like red, blue, white. And I also partnered this navy blue bucket hat to match with my skirt. I love how the colors are really coherent and cohesive. Like this top is very coherent with my shoes, and this, bottoms is very coherent with my hat. So yeah, that's it. I feel really cute in this. So you could also use this fanny pack if the event is less formal or what. it's more on the casual side of, you know, events. And you can also always use a fanny pack with a different color, so the fanny pack does not get lost with the color sheen, the monochromatic sheen that is going on. You still have the dimension that you're looking for. So yeah, it's very chic, very stylish, but no, it's not really on the formal side, but in the casual side. It's a great thing to have like some accessories to like really accessorize and up your game with this outfit, because it's very monochromatic. Without these accessories, and these accessories, it would really go really bland, and you don't want that for an outfit. And I realized some golds, some brighter colors of accessories would really spice it up. I think it's a really nice color. Also, the details in the shoes, it's, you know, so for the fourth outfit, I just partnered this pink oversized shirt that I also thrifted from Intramuros, and I thought that it might be actually so playful to style up with, so I grabbed these cute dark blue jumpers that I got from my mom, and I also paired it with this mustard color corduroy cap that I got from Pen Shop, and I thought it really goes well together. You have that like pastel color, bright color, neon color, and this dark color to balance it out. And I also paired it with these sneakers. I thought that these colors from the shoes really matches the colors that I have in my outfit, like this pink going on with the shoes. I paired it with this one, and we also have like that mustard colored looking. It's actually an outfit that you could wear to the park, like so effortless but yet so childish, childish, playful, and I feel really cute in this.
She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah,
So for look number 5, I paired this wonderful thrifted sweater. You won't believe that I thrifted this sweater way back when I was in junior high, when I was with my friends. And it's like a nice powdered pink that I have going on, so I paired it with this lavender top, so it goes on with the pastel going on in here. And I actually got this bag. This is the bag of my Polaroid cam, and I wanted just to shift the range of colors of pink, so I just grabbed this like a bright pink, you know, like a flashy pink right here. Tapos I also paired it with this skirt, so it would look like medyo cute, and just like some basic cap that I got from Adidas. And my shoes are also like a pastel color shade going on, so yeah, I actually love this outfit. It's like, you know, a day at the park and whatever, like in the malls. So kapag nilamig ka, you have your sweater on your body, and that's it.
she brushing against my hands.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom?
Okay, for the last outfit, I found this wonderful piece of long sleeves when I went thrifting at Anonas. It's not actually like a tube top like this. So meron ditong medyo bulky thing going on, but I really don't mind because the frontal view is actually very, very nice. It looks so editorial and so dramatic for me, huh? And I paired it with this also thrifted corduroy pants, and I folded it. It would be less formal, more on campy and, you know, stylish. And I also paired it with another, so everything's thrifted except these bags. I love the dirty white going on around it, like some prints and, you know, letters slouted. Yeah, I really love this look. It gives me so much confidence knowing that this outfit is all thrifted, and yeah, I'm really proud of myself for coming up with this top. That's it. I guess that's it for everything. Thank you so much, loves, for watching up until to this video, this part of the video, and I figured I'd just shout out everyone who have been watching my videos ever since then, and I'm always so thankful for every one of you. I just hit 4,000 subscribers. I couldn't be, you know, any more grateful. I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. I love fashion videos. That's my lifestyle. That's my everything. I'll just see you in my next vlog. Bye!
The ocean breeze. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, staring out the window, looking at the summer view. Fine by you, I'll be next to you. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, speeding down the highway with the wind blowing through. Everything around us feeling minuscule. If it's fine